you have got a small YouTube channel. Maybe you just open a YouTube channel and you are wondering how to make your videos to go viral, how to bring out your videos to stand out of this YouTube street, right? And now you are putting in the work, but the views and subscribers aren't just coming in fast as you had liked them to come. Well, that is why I'm about to give you these 5 actionable steps you can take right now to skyrocket your channel's growth. This is what big creators are using to grow their channel and get that subscribers and views that you have been admiring a long time ago. This is real. I mean, these tips that I'm about to share with you is a proven advice that works. So if you want to grow your channel, make sure you are watching this very video to the end, because you have a clear roadmap to make your videos to go viral. If this is your first time of tuning in my channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's dive into the main video. Before we get into the step, let me ask you this. Have you ever spent hours creating a video only to see it get a handful of views, like low views, 10 views, 15 views, 30 views? It is frustrating because you know how much you put in that video, right? But here is the thing. YouTube is a game of strategy. Make sure that you have an upload strategy. It is not just about making a great content. If you make a great content and people are not seeing it, it seems as if that video is not good for people to watch, right? It is about making sure your content gets seen, even though it's a bad video or good video. And that is exactly what we are going to fix today. So grab a notebook, because these tips are about to change your channel forever. So if you're watching this video, congratulations. The first thing you are going to do is to make sure you add your videos to a playlist. This might sound basic, right? But you have to be surprised how many small creators and big creators skip these steps. Playlists are like a magnet for watch time. When someone watches one of your videos, YouTube automatically suggests the next video in the playlist. This keeps viewers on your channel longer, which tells YouTube that, hey, this content is good. Now, when you look at this my channel, you see that I have different playlists here. I have YouTube growth and hacks, YouTube tutorials, YouTube demonetization, YouTube monetization, 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers. I have so many playlists on this, as you are seeing it on the screen right now. So how are you going to do it? Go to your YouTube studio, click on playlist, and create a new one. If you are looking for how to create a new playlist, let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a video about how you are going to create a new playlist. Add videos that are related to each other. For example, now, if you have a cooking channel, create a playlist for something like quick dinner recipe or healthy breakfast idea. This is not only to organize your content, but also boost your chances of getting recommended by YouTube's algorithm. You see, this big content creator, they do not ignore adding their videos to playlists. So you need to hop on this one, because your channel is going to be a great channel as soon as possible. Name your playlist something catchy and keyword rich. Instead of just dinner recipe, try 5 minutes dinner recipe for busy people. This will help your playlist show up in search word results, bringing in even more views, more subscribers, and engagement to your channel. The second one is categorize your videos based on your niche. This is where a lot of small creators go wrong. They post random videos without a clear focus, and that confuses both the viewers and the algorithm. Now think of your channel like a bookstore. Yes, if someone walks into a bookstore and sees books scattered everywhere with no section, they are going to leave, right? But if the books are neatly organized into categories like fiction, non-fiction, advantage, non-advantage, YouTube growth, disadvantage, all of these, they are more likely to stay and explore. Alright, the same goes to your channel. If you are a fitness channel, categorize your videos into home workouts, nutrition tips and weight loss journey. This makes it easy for your audience to find what they are looking for and keeps coming back for more of that content on your channel. So this is how you are going to kill this thing, like this is how you are going to do it. Let me tell you these bonus tips. When you categorize your videos, YouTube's algorithm can better understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. So take some time to plan your content and stick to your niche. If your niche is about YouTube growth, whenever you want to categorize your video, maybe you are teaching about how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get monetized, YouTube growth and all of that, make sure that you categorize this under what? How to and styles. So if you want me to make a video on how you are going to categorize your video, let me know in the comment section and I will take that into consideration for you. The third one is post shorts related to your main videos. If you're not using YouTube Shorts yet, my brother, you are leaving a tons of views on the table. Shorts are like a cheat code for small creators. They can go viral overnight and bring in a flood of new subscribers and new viewers on your channel. If you don't know it today. So here is how you are going to use them effectively. Take a clip from one of your longer videos, something attention grabbing like a before and after transformation, a quick tip or a funny moment or something that can grab attention to your audience and turn it into a short. Add some text overlay and call to action like watch the full video on my channel. Okay, like you drop an emoji on that word, on that text, and direct them over the link below that word, that short video. You know, this thing does two things. Yes, first, it gives your short a higher chances of going viral. Second, it will drive in traffic to your main video. You see that your video that are not going viral, try to use shorts. Use this step that I'm telling you, use this tip that I'm sharing with you, and trust me, your short are going to go viral, and it will be a chances of that your main video you linked it with to start increasing your watch time and overall engagement. It is a win-win, so you have to jump on it. The fourth one is copy from big creators. Yes, now I am not saying you should steal their content. There is a big no, yes, but you can learn from their success. Big creators have already figured out what works, so why not use that to your advantage and grow your channel? You don't have to be I want to be perfect, I want to make my own to be unique at the end. You are not getting views. 0 views in 1 day, 0 views in 2 days. Now, this is how you are going to do it. Go to their channel and look at their most popular videos. What kind of titles are they using? How are their thumbnails designed? What is the hook in the first 10 seconds? Take note of this and adapt these strategies to your own content. This is what most big YouTubers, small YouTubers, growing YouTubers are using. They copy from other big creators, yes, to grow their channel. I copy from big creators. If you watch this video, how I copied a big YouTubers and I went viral, go and watch this video and see the #1 creator I always copy. Now, for example, if you are a tech channel and you see a big creator's video titled Top 5 Gadgets of 2025, you could create a similar video but with your own twist and style, like top 5 budget gadgets you can afford in 2025. You see, this way you are riding the waves of what is already working while still making it your own. Yes, nobody will come on this YouTube and say, this thumbnail is my thumbnail, this title is my title, I'm the one that first introduced it. No. Are you telling me that you have not copied any big creator? You have not copied from creators on this YouTube? If you are telling me that you are a liar, yes. So that is why you need to watch this video. Okay. The fifth one is create an eye-catchy thumbnail and title. This is your video's first impression. You know, your thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail is like a movie poster. Yes. So it needs to grab attention. Think of your thumbnail and title as the cover of a book. If it doesn't stand out, no one is going to click on it, right? Because you don't want to waste your time reading your book. At the end, you are not getting anything. So it needs to grab in attention. You know, an adage says, "Ụzọ mama agaghị ugboro abụọ, ofe tọọ ụtọ emetekwa garri." So you need to use bold contrasting color in your thumbnail. Add text that is easy to read, even on a small screen, and make sure your title is clear, concise, and packed with keywords. For example, instead of "How to lose weight," try "How I lost 20 pounds in 30 days. No gym required." So when you see the difference. Now the second title is specific, intriguing, and promises a result. That is what gets clicks on every YouTube word title. So now you have these 5 ticks that will make your videos to go viral. This is what I have been doing. So you need to start by adding your videos to a playlist, categorize them based on your niche before you upload your video. Post short, learn from big creators and copy them, then create thumbnail and title that pops out. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to grow your channel. So if you are looking on how to get more views on YouTube, I recommend this video to you, how you are going to get more views on YouTube the smart way. And don't forget to drop a comment below and letting me know which steps you are going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Grow with me on this YouTube.